In this video, we will take a closer look at how process maps are built and how to read them. Process maps typically use a set of standard symbols to represent the different types of steps or actions in a process. These symbols make complex systems easier to understand, analyze, and improve. Here are the most commonly used ones. Oval. This symbol represents the start or end of a process. Every process map should begin and end with an oval to show clear boundaries. For example, a patient arriving at a clinic, or a discharge process being completed. Rectangle. Rectangles represent actions or tasks, steps where work is being done. For example, taking vital signs, completing a form, calling a patient back. Diamond. A diamond shows a decision point. This is a moment where something branches based on a yes, no, or either/or outcome. For example, did the patient arrive on time? Or are labs required? Arrow. Arrows show the direction and flow of the process, what happens next, and how the steps are connected. Circle. A circle is often used to connect different parts of a process map when space is limited. It acts like a connector to help keep the map readable if steps are repeated or referenced elsewhere. Star. A star can be used to highlight a point of uncertainty or concern in the process, something that might require further exploration or attention. Elongated semicircle or D. This symbol represents a delay in the process. It's useful when you want to show a wait time or a pause that could be affecting outcomes. For example, waiting for lab results or waiting for provider availability. These symbols create a shared language that teams can use when building or reviewing process maps. They help you visualize what's happening, spot potential issues, and ensure everyone is seeing the same system, even if they're coming from different roles or departments. You might also choose to add color coding or icons to highlight key patterns. For example, green for the starting point, red for delays or bottlenecks, yellow for decision points, or icons to indicate pain points, safety risks, or patient involvement. While every process map will look slightly different depending on the workflow being examined, these core symbols are widely used in healthcare and quality improvement work. And remember, your map doesn't need to be perfect or artistic. The goal is clarity, not complexity. Use symbols to tell the story of how the work happens and then use that shared understanding to identify where the process can be made safer, more efficient, or more patient-centered.